Welcome to the channel. Today we discuss the Gerbera Daisy flower. The Gerbera Daisy, with its bold and vibrant petals, is a flower that exudes joy and positivity. Originating from South Africa, this popular garden and cut flower has won the hearts of many with its captivating charm. Gerbera daisies are known for their large, daisy-like blooms and a wide array of colors. From cheerful yellows and oranges to soft pinks and vibrant reds, these dazzling flowers add a burst of color to any setting. Their symmetrical petals and prominent centers make them a focal point in floral arrangements and bouquets. Aside from their visual appeal, Gerbera daisies also possess a mild, pleasant fragrance that further enhances their allure. These versatile flowers are suitable for various occasions and settings. Whether used as decorations for weddings and parties or simply to brighten up your home, Gerbera daisies never fail to bring a smile to your face. In addition to their aesthetic value, Gerbera daisies hold symbolic meanings. They are often associated with happiness, innocence, and purity, making them a popular choice for gifts and expressions of joy. Embrace the vibrant beauty of Gerbera daisies and let their radiant blooms infuse your surroundings with positivity and happiness. These charming flowers are sure to uplift your spirits and add a touch of cheer to every moment. Links for Gerbera daisy flower can be found in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.